So we asked ourselves a bold question: what does digital inclusivity and artificial intelligence mean in a world where 2.6 billion people remain completely offline?
My name is Yvonne Baldwin Mushi. What motivated me to apply for AI for Good was alignment. AI for Good echoes something the world urgently needs. Beyond our technological advancement lies a deeper responsibility to ensure that technology serves humanity inclusively and leaves no one behind. As an African innovator working to address maternal mortality, one of the most pressing yet often underestimated global challenges, AI for Good resonated and continues to resonate very deeply with me. Maternal health is complex. It intersects with inequality, access to education, and systemic gaps. Technology alone might not be the full solution, but responsibly designed and intentionally designed, AI can be a very powerful enabler. I built MamaMate because I saw a gap in my community, families needing trusted, accessible, culturally relevant support, and technology being underutilized in that need due to existing inequalities. AI for Good felt intentional as it goes past visibility and it highlights innovation anchored in measurable, ethical, and global impact, not ignoring the barriers that may exist in various regions. And for me, it was also about representation, demonstrating that African-built solutions are scalable, credible, and globally competitive. That innovation from the Global South is not just emerging, but making a significant contribution to humanity. As a woman from the Global South, winning the grand finale and the Women Global South Award was a defining and a turning point for me. It felt privileged, yet humbling and very honorable as well. As an African startup, it provided validation. It opened conversations that previously felt completely out of reach with partners, institutions, and collaborators. The recognition accelerated trust, strengthened our positioning globally, and for me, it did something deeper. Because as a founder from the Global South, we often build with very limited resources and often very high and unspoken expectations. This recognition affirmed that our work matters, that excellence is not geography bound. It strengthened my conviction that leadership in AI must be diverse and inclusive. But most importantly, it taught me that recognition comes with responsibility to scale intentionally and to invest in our youth and women across the continent as a child of Africa, to ensure that growth remains anchored in impact. Today, that commitment is visible in the ecosystem we are building, spanning youth and women innovators across Africa. I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to the ITU for the opportunities created through AI for Good. I wish to particularly extend my sincere appreciation to the Cherie Blair Foundation for Women for the impactful mentorship which has guided me on my journey, particularly to my mentor, Kenneth Kars. My message to future innovators is simple: begin, apply, build, solve the challenge you see in your community in the way that only you can solve it. Let your solution be authentic and deeply rooted in your context. That is your strength. Do not wait for perfection, because innovation does not grow in isolation. It grows through exposure, mentorship, collaboration, and courage. If you're building something that genuinely improves lives, platforms like AI for Good can amplify your impact far beyond what you imagined possible. I stand as a testament to that. Because the world does not need more ideas in theory. It needs brave execution from every region, especially the global south. I therefore encourage you to step forward. Your innovation may not only change your community, it may help shape the future. Together, we can build a world where technology truly serves humanity. Thank you.